The question we're answering today in this video is, can I make a file backup with Google Drive? If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's get started. So here just type drive.google.com, then press enter on the keyboard. You are going to be taken to the home page for your Google account. Now, if you are not logged in with your Google account, you're going to be required to log in with your Google account details. Then you'll be taken to the home page. To upload files or folders to Google Drive, you're going to see the new button. Click on it, and here you're going to see new folder, file upload, folder upload. In this case, we just want to upload a file for starters. Click on it, click on the upload file, and here you can upload any file of your choice. You can come to downloads. Here you can upload any file of your choice. For instance, here I can just upload this image. And click on open. It's going to be uploaded. Down here I can see my image is being uploaded, and when it's complete, it's going to say one upload complete. When you refresh the window here, when you click on the refresh here, it's going to refresh the window, and you're going to see the image that you just uploaded. If you want automatic backups, you can download Google Drive for desktop. Then you can set it up to sync your chosen photos, and it will back up your files automatically. If you're on mobile, you can use Google One to back up your photos, contacts, and also app data automatically. Your files will be backed up, and that's how you go about it. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos like this and leave a like on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.